Welcome to Airworthy Tours, your guide in the sky. My name is Captain Phillip, and today I'm going to serve as your pilot and tour guide as we head to City Park. City Park is a large urban park in New Orleans that is full of attractions, ranging from ancient oak trees to modern sculpture gardens. Now, before we get started, if you would like to be a part of future aerial tours, please consider subscribing to the channel. We are clear for takeoff, so sit back, relax, and enjoy your tour. The park was founded in 1854 and would officially be established as City Park in 1891. City Park is unusual in that it is a largely self-supporting public park, with most of its annual budget derived from self-generated revenue through user fees and donations. At 1,300 acres, it is larger than Central Park in New York City and sees an estimated 5 million visitors annually. For my tree huggers, the oak trees are the pride and joy of City Park. There are more than 30,000 trees in City Park, including the largest collection of mature live oak trees. The park is home to the oldest grove of mature live oaks in the world, including the McDonald oak tree, which is estimated to be between 800 and 900 years old. The park lost 2,000 trees during Hurricane Katrina. However, more than 8,000 new trees have been planted in their place. City Park is a wonderful destination for those interested in the arts. Ahead is the New Orleans Museum of Art, or NOMA for short, which hosts an impressive collection of more than 40,000 pieces and objects, including French, American, African, and Japanese works. Right next to the museum is the Sculpture Garden, which is home to more than 90 sculptures by renowned artists from around the world. And was one of my favorite places for an inexpensive date. Below is the Botanical Garden, a serene retreat featuring more than 2,000 plants from around the world. The mission of the Botanical Garden is to cultivate, promote, and inspire the knowledge, love, and appreciation of plants through educational programs and exhibits, and to evaluate, introduce, and distribute new plant materials suitable for cultivation in the Gulf South region. If you're looking for a bite to eat at City Park, visit Cafe du Monde for their famous beignets and a much shorter wait time than their flagship location in the French Quarter. Below is the Louisiana Children's Museum, which includes 30,000 square feet of interactive exhibits, including a climbing wall, art studio, and mock cafe. City Park is one of the few places in New Orleans that is family friendly for outside visitors. Below is Storyland, a children's theme park, and is actually the largest amusement park in New Orleans. City Park is obviously great for outdoor enthusiasts. There are dozens of miles worth of bike trails, multiple fishing docks, including an annual bass rodeo, an equestrian center, and yes, there is a golf course. Below is Bayou Oaks at City Park, which is a full-service golf complex with 36 holes. What was your favorite attraction? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, if you enjoyed today's tour, you can tip your tour guide by hitting the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to be a part of future aerial tours. Thank you for flying with Airworthy Tours, and we look forward to seeing you on our next flight.